Smart Blocks Search and Convert for AutoCAD LT 2026 brings uniformity to your designs by quickly organizing geometry and text into blocks. Selected geometry is searched for within the drawing canvas. Existing blocks are filtered with the new Review toolbar and then highlighted. These selected geometries can then be converted into instances of a new block or an existing block. The converted blocks are automatically placed onto the previously specified layers, all to help promote content reuse and standardization across your drawings. In AutoCAD LT 2026, the Smart Blocks Search and Convert tool is now available directly from the ribbon and will now search for text. Exact matching text or variable text can be identified, giving the designer the ability to specify attribute tags to manage text variations. These can then be edited during the block insertion process. The new Smart Blocks Search and Convert enhancements enable designers to work more efficiently with blocks.